Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how we can close a tab in the Arc browser. If you want to close a tab, you have two ways to do so. The first one is by simply pressing the cross, which appears if you have the tab selected, if you have it opened. Then if you hover over the tab, then you have this cross, you can click on it and then the tab will be gone. You can also press Ctrl and Z in order to reopen the recently closed tab. Now, if you have this tab in the pin section, then of course you can do the same thing. You can, but instead of the cross, you have the minus, which just closes the tab, but it doesn't remove, the Arc browser doesn't remove it from the pin section. Now, if it is closed, and then we have the exit, but this time if we do that, then we remove it completely from the pin section, and we don't really want to do that. And in another thing that you can do, for instance, with the favorites tab, in order to close them, now in this case, of course, we don't have any cross, what we can do is press Ctrl and W in order to close it. Another thing that you can do, instead of using the combination of keys, we can right-click the tab and then choose Close. And there we go, and the tab is closed as well. And I believe we can do the same thing with the tab that is pinned. Yeah, there we go, we have closed tab. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.